Hello students, welcome to Barrackpur Senate Public School.
Hello everyone, I am Momita Kuzhasudar. Today I am going to explain you how to keep our environment clean. Do you know what is waste? Waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. Waste materials that originate from living things, for example leaves, wood, animal dung or dead plants and animals, and many other wastes. Wastes are of main two kinds, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We use several things in our day-to-day life and in the process generate many kinds of waste. Unwanted or used things that are discarded are termed as waste. Every household produces waste every day. Modern living generates lots of waste which may also contain harmful substances. Vegetables and fruit peel, used paper, polythene bags, broken glass and water used for the cleaning are some examples of household waste. Household waste can be broadly classified into two kinds, solid and liquid. What is landfill? In many places, garbage is taken into a landfill. The garbage is packed with the use of bulldozers. Landfill damages the environment by polluting the land and groundwater. Garbage not only looks and smells bad but can also spread diseases. Flies often carry germs from garbage. How do we reduce household waste? To reduce the household waste, we should follow some measures. Food waste. The most important step in avoiding the waste is to buy only what is required and in proper quantity. We can reduce waste by preventing food from spoiling. Cooked food and other food often spoil due to improper storage methods. We can prevent food, fruit and vegetables from spoiling by storing them in the refrigerator. Minimal use. Although we cannot totally stop using some things, we can reduce their use. For example, by carrying a cloth bag while buying vegetables and other food items, we can reduce the use of plastic bags. Reuse. Household waste contains things that can be reused. For example, metal, tins, plastic container, glass bottles can be reused to store things. Collection of recyclable material. Certain waste such as the discarded metal, plastic, paper and glass can be used to make new things. All such materials are called recyclable waste or recyclable material. Solid waste disposal. Waste should be disposed of in a proper manner and in a proper place. Proper waste disposal will minimize the adverse effect on the environment. Household liquid waste. Liquid waste includes water used for bathing, household cleaning and in toilets. Household liquid waste is removed through drainage or sewage pipes. Most often, sewage pipes open into a water body. In many cities and towns, the sewage is taken to sewage treatment plants and then released. Do you know what is composting? Composting is a method of recycling plant and animal waste. Waste such as weeds, grass, leaves and animals' dung can be used to obtain compost or manure. A layer of such waste is buried in a deep pit. The layer is then covered with a layer of soil and water. The process of layering is prepared until the pit is completely filled. Pit is then left undisturbed for a couple of months. Microorganisms present in the soil feed on the waste and convert into the compost. What is biogas? Biogas is produced from organic waste. It is used as a fuel. It is produced when bacteria decompose organic material in the absence of oxygen gas, producing methane gas. Methane gas is a fuel. Biogas is mainly produced from the mixture of cow and buffalo dung. Biogas burns without producing smoke. It does not pollute air like other fuels. It is also a cheap source of fuel. It is a proper way of disposing cattle dung. Water pollution. Human beings throw large amounts of harmful waste materials into oceans, rivers and lakes. Water that contains harmful substance is said to be polluted. Liquid waste from industries, pesticides from farms, dead animals and the human waste are the major water pollutants. Polluted water is unfit for human use. It harms all kinds of plants and animals that depend on it. How do we reduce water pollution? Proper household disposal will reduce the water pollution due to the garbage. Proper sanitation facilities should be provided to everyone. Land pollution. Waste from households, industries and the farms get dumped onto the ground. Harmful substances from the waste leak into the land and spoil its quality. Materials like plastic, glass and the chemicals can remain in the soil for many years. Some harmful chemicals can get absorbed by the roots of the plant. When we eat vegetables or fruits grown on the polluted land, the harmful chemicals become the part of our food. Then how do we land pollution can be reduced? Proper waste separation and disposal by household can reduce the land pollution. Farmers should use manure instead of chemicals to get better cropping. What is air pollution? Air is polluted mainly by industries and the vehicles that use fossil fuels. Toxic gases and the fine particles of the cement, coal and the metals released by motor vehicles and industries pollute air. Certain toxic gases produced by industries mix with the raindrops and make the rain highly acidic. This is known as acid. Then how do we reduce the air pollution? Pollution caused by the vehicles can be reduced by using less polluting fuels such as compressed natural gas, solar energy or electricity. Vehicles produce less smoke when they are maintained in a good condition. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy.